So guys, Mr. Dapper getting eating ice cream. Yes, what? This is the guy I always mess his hair up. I always mess his hair up.
Always.
Always.
Hey.
And I'm eating the ice cream and my dad needs to help
Is
this
Dawson going both sides with you guys?
because my tummy gets full. Sorry I haven't been making videos. Yep, thank you. Maybe.
That's what takes the longest. Taxis what takes the longest. If the wait there, it all goes through, and you have to call and confirm they received it.
I like this ice cream. And also, sorry I haven't been posting.
That one's too.
Okay, I just love this ice cream right here.
It shows you all the fashion and power.
And
It's probably the worst. Really?
Yeah. You sit there like
There's
waiting
a girl with a pile like this, and she takes her the whole day.
and it goes to different faxes. So
I'm gonna grab a video
business, you have to make sure like,
And when you upload, it has to go in certain files.
and then you have to write a cover sheet for every single
And-
one that's going to.
I'm eating more ice cream now.
You're probably off better hiring a full time, dude. Pay her, Larry had to pay her. Just go make money.
No, she's already hired.
I'm talking to you about some new stuff, like new things that are happening in my life. Can you guys hear me? Comment down below. Oh my god, what should I talk about? So much things to do, so much. Yesterday, I went to a meeting. The day before that, all this stuff came up, like I was playing with my dad, watching TV and all that stuff. Here, it was me and my dad's day yesterday, and I got so busy. So I'm sorry I haven't been uploading a lot. Really sorry. And that's all. Just want to keep you guys to know that I'll still be uploading. What are you looking at? Are you looking at my ice cream face?
Hey, so one thing we got to is our license.
I see you guys on the next video. Bye.
Last 3 months.
Mr. Dabber out. Bye.
So we just need help with
Bye.
money.